Hi vlog, it's been a while. I hope the fish tank isn't too loud because I swear that thing is going off. But I'm about to make a coffee. I have my bag packed and I'm going to Sav Laser because they had a free lip flip intro offer, so I'm gonna go do that. And then I'm gonna go around town and try to find some spots that'll let me put up posters for a Pilates event that I'm organizing. But yeah, I'm gonna hurry up and make that coffee. Oh, and then I also have to stop at the USPS store to drop off a Depop order, and then stop by at the UPS store to return something. But yeah, let me go make my coffee because I'm in a rush. Hello everyone, so quick update. I made it to my lip flip appointment. You may or may not be able to see the little injection sites. And I also came to a Starbucks to try to drop off flyers, but they didn't have a community board. But they were super cool, really nice, so I still wanted to support. And I had my eye on this drink. It is a new one. It's the iced blue coconut matcha, and they use blue spirulina. And I'm actually so grateful for the sip cup because I can't drink through a straw right now, but I wish I could taste the matcha and the foam at the same time. Let's see. Wait, that was actually really good. I really like that. I am hungry, but I think I'm gonna wait. Either I'll buy like groceries to cook, or I'll wait till I get home to eat something that my mom is cooking. But yes, I think we're gonna try to go to Barnes & Noble now because I need the next book in the series, and I think they have a community board where I can also post the flyers there. If not, I'm also gonna try to hit up another Starbucks, maybe the Clutch Coffee. That would be pretty cool. Maybe I could try calling though before, just so I'm not driving around everywhere. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys on what I'm doing so far, and I'll get back to you. This is the second book in the series, so I'll get this one. This is what I purchased at Bloomingdale's. Freshly restocked and just added all the Nespresso pods. I'm about to make myself a latte, and then I am currently making breakfast too. Okay, so I made my latte, and of course I bought this one again. This is my favorite thing to add into my iced lattes to give it some flavor. It's the white chocolate macadamia, and I bought this at Target. This is what I bought at TJ Maxx after all for myself. Super cute. Oh my goodness, vlog. The event today went super well. I'm super happy with how it turned out. We had about 40 girls show up, and we had a permanent jewelry vendor, a DIY lip balm keychain vendor, a free skin analysis vendor, DIY flower booth, like you make your own bouquet of flowers, which is a little clip I'll show you guys of what I made. And then there was of course a coffee slash matcha cart, an acai bowl cart, and another vendor selling a lot of non-toxic candles, body scrubs, body lotions, or body butters I should say, bars of soaps, etc. We also had a vendor selling Pilates grip socks, of course. And I of course tried my best and bought something from every vendor, or at least I tried to. I tried to buy from every vendor, stop by their booths, show them some love and support. The instructor for the event was like really awesome, but yes, the event turned out so great. The workout was really good. I've been to a few Pilates events where I leave not really feeling worked out, like I still have to go to the gym, but I am already sore. Yeah, so as I was saying, the Pilates event that I helped host, which is from Crunchy Girl Club, it went amazing. It went super well. It was really great. The workout was great. The vibes were great. I love that girls brought their journals to journal after the Pilates session. I feel worked out, super sore. I've been awake since almost 6:30 in the morning because we had to load the car, drive to my aunt's house, load everything into her truck, and then load all her other stuff for the event into the truck, drive to the event, unpack everything, set up, and then the exact opposite at the end of the event. We had to put everything back in her truck, drive to her house, and then I had to take out all the stuff that was mine that I had brought into the car and then get home and unpack again. Ugh, I'm so beat. I'm super sore. I definitely sweated today. The weather was perfect though. I was kind of worried that it was going to be hot, but no, the weather was perfect. It was a little gloomy. I also got the baby blue Trader Joe's bag. Super cute and matched my fit of today. Yeah, super big thank you to all the vendors and attendees who came to this very first Crunchy Girl Club Wellness Social. It came out so amazing, and I'm super excited to host the next one because honestly I had a really great time. It was a nice time to socialize. People made new friends, they came with friends, re-met old friends. Like, I'm so glad it at least made it home. It was in the trunk with a bunch of stuff, so it wasn't a cute little carrying bag, but I had to come home and immediately rearrange, cut the stems more, and then put them in water. But yeah, super cute. I just wanted to show you guys the soap bars that I bought today. This was from one of our vendors. They are non-toxic, homemade. And I bought her sampler pack. So it's charcoal body soap. And there's 8 different scents. There's eucalyptus, sweet honey, vanilla bean, gardenia, lavender, orange blossom, jasmine, and cherry blossom. And these are goat milk soap bars. So I've really been wanting to try that. and I'm gonna try one right now. But super cute packaging. Oh, and then I didn't get to show you guys these stickers we got made, which are super cute. So these are all the soap bars that came in the cute little crate box, and they're all labeled. I can't decide which one to try first. I'm thinking, I think I'm gonna do Sweet Honey because I did smell that one and it smelled amazing. I also bought these super cute Pilates grip socks. This is the brand here, and she was a vendor at our event also. So the other day I went to TJ Maxx and I wanted to show you guys this bag because I have been looking for a pouch to hold my sunscreen, my tanning lotion, etc. for the beach. And I found this on discount, $6. This thing's usually like $15 because I've been seeing quite a few and I just haven't been, you know, willing to spend that much on them. But finally this one landed in the little clearance section. I think $6 is a great deal, and I actually love that this one is like a clear plastic-ish version because I can easily wipe it down. The tanning lotion that I use is like a browning lotion, so it's brown and can stain stuff. So that would have sucked if I would have got a pouch and it would have been all stained on the inside from just, you know, handling everything. But I actually love that it's clear and it's going to be perfect for the beach. Alright, so here's an example of what I would put in the pouch. I would have my hair clip, the browning lotion, sunscreen, body spray, and hand sanitizer, and then as well as the tanning stickers in the back. There's some really cute shape ones. And then this pairs with the browning lotion, but I wouldn't necessarily take this to the beach because this is what you put on after you've kind of like showered. It's a tan enhancer and healer. This works really great, and so does the lotion. I actually really like this brand. It's so crazy. She wants to smell my flowers. She wants to smell my flowers because when I brought them home, I let her smell them. Let's see. Let's see them. Do you want to smell them? Aww. You like them? What about this one? She's so funny. What is it? Oh. Pink, she's so cute. Oh my goodness. That is adorable. That is adorable. She's so happy about them.